Family. It's your boy Fin Q. Merry Christmas, because it's Christmas and I'm chilling with somebody special today. I'm chilling with my cousin, dog. Man, it's my cousin Jaden. What's up, dog? Dog. Look, man, we go way back. I remember when he was in Pampers, like, for real, man. But now he like young man stunting, dog. Doing his own thing on YouTube too was my inspiration. First one in the family that was really got it popping on YouTube and really like got a following and was really doing his thing on there. You know what I'm saying? So I don't think I ever told you that, bro. But when I seen your channel, it was inspiring. Like real talk. I ain't even saying that for them. I'm saying that for real, because that's really what it was like. When I watched your channel, I'm gonna tell you how your channel was entertaining, because I watched the first video and I was kind of like, dang, that's crazy, bro. That's Jaden on like YouTube. And then I watched the second video, because I'm just like, it's like a family support thing. And then after the second video, I was like, bro, his editing and stuff is good.
I be trying.
Then I watched the third video, then a fourth video, and then I realized I'm going down the rabbit hole on your channel. So that's dope, bro. That means your channel is lit, bro. So you gotta keep pushing, keep doing your thing, man. You know what I'm saying? Because when you blow up, you're gonna have to take me out on the fly, whatever you got.
Yeah, for
you know what I'm saying? Because you're gonna be squatting on this, bro. But look, I'm gonna take you for a ride in the you know what I'm saying, in my Q. And I'm just gonna show you the car, you know what I'm saying?
I'm ready, y'all. Ready.
Yo, and I'm gonna let him whip it on the way back, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna whip it out, and then I'm gonna whip it out that way, and then I'm gonna let him bring it back home. All right, let's ride, bro. So yeah, man, I'm gonna just take us down the street, and then I'll let you drive us home. Let you drive us back.
I tell you, I'm about to catch my reaction, man.
And you can kind of like, when you drive, I'm gonna let you like, you know what I'm saying? You can drive it a little bit.
Okay.
Let me see, I left my phone on. All right, so I ain't gonna put no music on. This your first time in one of these?
Oh yeah, I ain't never been in one, I ain't gonna lie.
Okay. Man, what kind of cars you like?
I ain't gonna like a lot of cars. I like Mopars. I ain't like one of my favorite Infinitis. I like the Q50 and the Q60.
So this is a Q50.
Yeah.
This is a 3.0 twin turbo.
This is dope, y'all.
And my other one's a G35. The other one is a lot more like of an experience.
Oh yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah, where's your 35 at? Is it at the house?
It's at the house, yeah. I still gotta do some work on it though. I gotta refill the transmission with fluid. I gotta completely drain it and refill it. And then I gotta fix my transmission cooler.
Oh yeah, how long does it take? Like, is it like an easy process?
Somewhat, kinda. My car is real low though, so it's kind of like hard for me to get access to it. All right, should we ready?
Yeah, let's do it. Here we go, y'all. Hey, this thing is quick, y'all.
It was way quicker than this before, man.
Yeah.
Because like right now, we riding on stock boost.
Yeah.
But
y'all see my reaction?
we riding on stock boost right now. But before, like on my videos and stuff, I was running with way more boost. I was running with like
an
extra 6 pounds of boost, so it was like an extra 100 horsepower on top of it. It was way quicker.
Golly. Y'all seen that? I was like,
yeah, it can get up, bro, man. It can get up. It's fun. It's fun. Turbo cars are a lot of fun, man.
I ain't gonna lie, hey, he made me wanna get one. I ain't never had no fast car yet. That's why I'm trying to debate for my next whoop. We get something quick.
Yeah, man.
I ain't gonna lie, that was adrenaline rush right there.
So that little Infiniti right there, G37.
Oh yeah, y'all see it.
So I want to get one of them too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right now I got like a 4-door version, one of those pretty much. But I want
Infiniti gang, y'all.
Yeah, I love Infinitis, bro. I love Nissans.
Yeah. That's cool. Woo!
This one's quiet.
Yeah.
The other one, that joint make a lot of noise.
Yeah. Hey, this is fun.
And I got it right now. I got it in the mode where I can shift the gears. But you can just put it in.
Oh, it's stick?
It's an auto, but you can put it over like this, right? And I can, like, now I'm in fifth, downshift, in fourth, third.
That is dope. This thing get up. Y'all see my hair? Man, this thing gets up. God.
Down this way.
I be watching you like drive on the video and stuff, but it just feels different like in person. Like
yeah, it's a lot different. It's a lot different. Yeah. Like I said, I wish I still had the boost turned up. You could like really feel how it really was.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Oh, we got really turned up.
Yeah, this car is crazy. You be doing your thing with this bill, I ain't gonna lie.
And this one right now is just stock right now.
Imagine when you get everything on it, y'all. It's driving like this already.
Yeah. Yeah, it was a whole different animal before.
It's fine. That was hard. But it's straight rear drive.
This is real good, yeah. They make these in all-wheel drive too, though.
Oh, okay.
They make them in all-wheel drive too. And I'm gonna put it on automatic. It's fun though, man. They're fun.
I can tell.
Yeah, it's fun.
Oh my god.
But at the same time too, it's like nice, it's luxury, you know what I'm saying?
You changed my whole perspective, like.
Yeah, it's nice, it's four-door. There's mad stuff in the back right now. I got parts from the other car, them doors from the G35 in the back right now. The inside of the door. But both of the cars are really similar actually. This is just kind of like a newer version of the G35. They actually been really similar. As far as the interior, the way it's built, even the way the car, like, well, I ain't gonna lie, the way the cars feel and the way they drive is kind of totally different.
So which one your favorite? We need to pick one. Well, I know both of them your favorite because you got them, but if you had to pick one, like, cause I mean, this can do everything. Like you said, it's luxury, it's fast, you can have fun in it. It can be a family car, like, it's like a big mix in one. Okay, so the big difference, because the G35 used to be that same way, but I made it real low. But honestly, that don't really bother me because I drive it anyway. You know, so. But it is a different driving experience. I really got to pay attention to the street when I'm driving it. This car I can kind of slip a little bit, get caught lacking a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Not really paying attention like that. Yeah. And everything cool. But in that other car, I really got to pay attention to what I'm doing because like I could tear that car off for real. So it's a lot more of a chore driving that one. But the real difference is in the engine. They have similar power. They're both like in the 300s. This one actually I can get more power out of a lot easier. But the other car, this one's twin turbo. So when the boost hit, it's like, whoa, it's like, it take off. But the other car, it don't have boost. Excuse me. It's just naturally aspirated, but it has a lot of response. So as soon as you step on the pedal, it goes. And it's like a go-kart. It's more like of a go-kart type experience, whereas this is kind of like, it's a little different, you know? So question, have any of these cars ever scared you? Like, have you actually like genuinely been scared?
Yeah. I mean, I ain't gonna lie, I like these cars. I ain't gonna say necessarily this one. This one's a little bit different. I like my G35 though because you can really push that car to the limits. And you know what I'm saying? Like you can mess some stuff up in it, you know what I'm saying? But you don't have so much power that you're afraid to really push the car to its limit. Some cars that have too much power, it's dope to have all that power, but you really can't use it because, you know what I'm saying, it's too much. But nah, that car is like perfect. So yeah, it has, you know what I'm saying? But that's really why I like these platforms because it's like usable power. I'm gonna spin it one time and then I'm gonna let you drive it.
Alright, I can spin. Hey, that was so fun, I ain't gonna lie. Hey, that was so fun, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
So now I'm gonna let you take us back to the crib, man.
Alright, yeah, y'all, I'm not like here. I'm gonna be here. I'm here driving regular.
Yeah, for sure. For sure. Like, but I want this to give you a little taste, you know what I'm saying?
Hey, that was 10 out of 10 experience, bro. I ain't gonna lie, that was fun. How you learn how to do that?
Man, going out and just
that was lit, y'all.
Yeah.
That was lit. Oh snap. That was lit. What in the world? And there y'all have it, y'all. That was my reaction. Like, that was crazy. From everything. From the pools, the spins, like that was crazy. It was recording, right?
Yep.
Oh, yeah, okay. I can't wait. This is crazy. Safety first, y'all.
Yeah. Seatbelts on.
The correct way, too. Alright, so what would we go to the house?
Alright, so first off, I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna have you put it in sport mode. So this little switch right here, you're gonna push that up, and then you're gonna see on the screen up here, it's gonna say sport. So now you're in sport. And then you can just put it down in the gear, and then I'll tell you where we go to get back.
Alright. There we are.
Alright, so you just bust a U-turn out of here.
Okay. Bro, this feels crazy. I gotta get some fast next, I ain't gonna lie. I like the way it sounds. So how many horsepower it's got?
This one got, man, I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. It's like 300 something. I don't know the exact number. Both of the cars right now are in like the 300 something. But when this car was up on boost, I would say it was closer to like 400.
Oh my god.
So it was like different, bro.
Yeah.
But I haven't put it on a dyno, so I can't tell you the exact number. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I don't even want to get on here capping. Boy's gonna be in the comments quick. Boy, he capped. Yeah, give her a little gas though. When she, yeah, right here. Yes, sir.
I feel good.
Oh, you look right in an Infiniti.
I do.
Yeah, you look right. You look right at home. You look in place.
This is nice, I ain't gonna lie. Hey, if you see me with that Infiniti, you know why.
Alright, so then when you see the Taco Bell up here, we're gonna take a right at that light.
Okay.
So I think it's gonna be past this light, it's gonna be the next light.
This feels good. I ain't gonna lie, I'm a little scared. Like, I don't know if I can just be like,
nah, man.
Like pro with it, like.
Yeah, man, I've been doing this for a long time, bro. Yeah. I've been.
What was your first Infiniti?
My first Infiniti was the G35. This is only my second Infiniti. I've had, before this, I had a Nissan. I had a Nissan 300ZX. I had a twin turbo Nissan 300ZX. And that one was also kind of like the same, like the twin turbo V6, yeah. 300 something horses.
Oh, this growl it got.
Yeah, my other car way more like, yeah, bro. I ain't gonna lie, the other car is a lot more of an experience when you driving it. It's a right here.
Oh. I'm still on that. I got a burnout high. I feel good, y'all.
Man, it's a total difference driving a car with like a little bit of, you know what I'm saying, a little bit of power and a little bit of driving characteristics from regular cars, man. Really, you start to understand why people really be going crazy over these, you know, these cars and stuff. Yeah. Especially too when you like how I was earlier today, and I was jamming, you know what I'm saying? I didn't even realize how fast I was going. I was like, man, I gotta slow down. It's gonna be a right at the light. Oh, it was a right there. It's all good though. Just bust a U. Just bust a U. You good?
Oh man, I was enjoying so much. I missed the turn. I turn right.
You could just do a do a U-turn right here to take it left.
I even like how I feel now. Like it's downshift fast.
Yeah, so when it's in sport, it downshifts more aggressively. It's gonna be a left at the light.
handle too.
It's gonna handle a lot better too after I put some suspension pieces on here. I'm gonna probably put either some drop springs or some coilovers on it. I'm not sure which one yet. Add some music to your experience.
Can you guess what city I live in only through my Uber Eats orders? Leave your guess in the comments. First up, we have the classic duo, chicken and waffles. The chicken is so crispy and tender, and the waffles are buttery and perfectly sweet. If you know this city well, you know this place is iconic to the area and is also known for their delicious sides like mac and cheese, greens, and cornbread. Next, treat yourself to a chili dog that's a local favorite and...
We're out here whipping. I gotta get the full experience before we get back, you know what I'm saying? This one after you didn't got out off of work and, you know what I'm saying? You about to go home now, go get fresh, go out somewhere, get you something nice to eat. It's just a regular moment, yeah. Right here. But then when you whip out that Infiniti, you be like, oh, I forgot I got an Infiniti. Oh! Yeah, but Infiniti drivers are known too for being crazy. I'm gonna get it bumped up a little bit too. You don't gotta bag in. You can just pull into the driveway again. Hold on. My bad. All right.
Yeah.
Man.
Scissors 10 out of 10, y'all. This car is a beast. I'm still like in the spit cycle from that donut. That was crazy. Yeah, this is fun.
Hey man, y'all make sure y'all go follow my boy's YouTube channel. I'm gonna put the link down on the video and I'm gonna have it down in the description, man.
Jaybo Family, y'all.
Holla, it's Jaybo Family and Fin Q. We out. Holla at y'all.